Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maryam if this is your first time coming on this channel. So today's video is a bit different. We recently did some upgrade to our room and added a few things here and there. So I just want to show you guys what we've added to the room recently. If you haven't watched my room tour video or house tour video, I will link that up so you can go check that out after this video. The main reason we added this is just like few things here and there. It's because some things were just hanging around and I didn't know where to put them, and I currently run my business from here, so I needed to put some things away that are not really around in the space, just to make everything a bit tidy up. So yeah, it's a shelf we got from IKEA, and I used to actually have this shelf when I was in the UK, so yeah, I went back to it and it worked perfectly for what I wanted to use it for. It's nothing big extra, like I said, it's just some things that you can add to your room here and there just to make a big difference, especially if in the room you feel like you need more storage and where to keep things. I think it would be such a good idea. And also I'd like to see what you guys think in the comment section below. But just before that, I'll show you how we put the shelf together, then I'll show you the after, what the room looks like now. Kallax shelf. So I got this one to put in this space here. Hopefully it fits, but I'm excited. I've been wanting one since, so yeah, we're gonna DIY that and put it together. Let me show you. I just store my filming stuff there, and like a shoe rack which I'm gonna move here in my wardrobe space. Underneath the space for that, that's gonna go there. Okay, I need to sort my wigs out, but this is the space, and I think it's gonna fit perfectly as well because we've just got like wardrobes, and there's this space there. Initially I was going to put my vanity there, but it didn't fit, so
now I know why it never worked out before. Hello, it would always turn out bad, so bad. But every time we start a fight, we always stop in time. We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Sometimes, but I know we're safe. Two peas in a pod, a roller coaster to walk out the door. We could be in control, but we just keep on putting on a show. And baby, I don't mind it. Live and talk, they don't get it. That we are two peas in a pod.
So yeah, that's the few changes we made to the room. We actually changed our sofa as well in the living room. Maybe I'll show that in another video. But yeah, this is the room. I'm so excited about it. It just felt like we've moved into a new house, and I don't know why it's getting me all excited. Like, ever since we added the shelf and just moved things a bit around, I've been spending more time in the room. I don't know why, but I'm super excited. I can't wait for us to have like a bigger space, bigger house. That's gonna come obviously by God's grace eventually, but I'm loving this place, and I just wanted to feel as homely as possible, even though we are renting, but this is where we live, so I really want to feel comfortable in here. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. But before I go, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you really enjoyed this video, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and I will be glad to read that. I'll see you in my next video.